Here we have addition or subtraction of mixed numbers with different denominators. This just happens to be a subtraction problem. I have 9.5 minus 4 and 7/9. Now you'll notice that I wrote them up and down. Why? When I add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers, for whatever reason, I just like writing them up and down. Why? Because I can do my equivalent fractions right next to them. I think it's easier to write your equivalent fractions left and right than it is up and down. So first thing I can do is find a common denominator. Find a common denominator. So we'll count by nines, or count by twos and count by nines. Smallest number they have in common is 18. So how do I get from 9 to 18? Multiply by 9. How do I get from 9 to 18? Multiply by 2. Okay. So my new fraction over here is 9 and 9/18. My new fraction here is 4 and 4 and 14/18. Now, here's the only problem we get to this. I can't do 9 minus 14 as much as you want it to will never, ever, 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 ever equal 5. I'm not allowed to do that. So I need to borrow. Okay, the 9 becomes an 8. Okay, the 9 becomes an 8. So we're borrowing 1 whole from the 9. Now, my 1 whole is in this problem. Okay, in this problem, my 1 whole is 18/18. So if I can add 18 over 18, that's my 1 whole. If my denominator was 2, my 1 whole would be 2 halves, 2 over 2. So if I add these two together, I get 27 over 14. Okay, you get 27 over 14. So what I'm telling you is this. So 8 and 27 over 18 is equal to 9 and 9/18. That's what I'm telling you. And they are the same. These are the exact same. And it looks really weird. It looks awkward. It looks strange. But you know what? So is subtraction. When we have to regroup. That's why we have that up there. Now, quick way, the quick shortcut way, instead of adding my 18/18 over here, what I can do, what's 18 plus 9? 27. So if I take my denominator, add it to my numerator, that's my new numerator. Okay? So that's how I can quickly get 27. So now I subtract. 27 minus 14 is 13. My denominator stays the same at 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 and 13/18 is my answer. And that is addition or subtraction of mixed numbers with different denominators.